Imagine transforming your written words into breathtaking videos with just a few clicks. This is what Fliki AI does best. In today's fast-paced AI development landscape, Fliki AI stands out as the ultimate AI video generator, offering an easy-to-use text-to-video editor, complete with lifelike voiceovers, dynamic AI-generated video clips, and a plethora of AI-powered features. Say goodbye to the days of sacrificing quality for savings and speed. With Fliki AI, you achieve the perfect balance, creating high-quality content quickly and cost-effectively. But how does it work? Fliki AI simplifies video creation, making it as straightforward as drafting an email with its script-based editor. Instead of navigating complicated video creation tools, Fliki AI simplifies the process, guiding you through just 5 simple steps to create stunning videos. Step 1. Kickstart your project with text, ideas, presentations, blogs, or tweets. Step 2. Customize your AI voice to bring your message to life. Step 3. Choose your media or let AI take the reins. Step 4. Optionally add your AI avatar. And Step 5. Instantly preview and refine your creation to perfection. Now let me walk you through the process of creating content using their tweet-to-video functionality. Fliki Tweet to Video. Log in or sign up at Fliki AI. Select Files option from the top panel. Click on New File button. Select the language in dialect. Next, write the file name, elect your desired aspect ratio, and under Start with select Tweet. Finally, hit Submit. Now, paste a link to your tweet and select options like stock media, AI art, AI avatars, sound effects to your video. Finally, hit Submit. Fliki will create the video based on your tweet. You can preview the video by clicking on the play icon below the video. In the voiceover layer, click on the voice name to select a different voice. Filter by language, dialect, gender. Hit the speaker icon to play a sample of the voice. Once satisfied, double-click on the voice to select. You can control the volume and speed of the voiceover. You can also customize the position, font, size, and colors of the tweet. Next, click on the media icon to select background. Choose from stock library, upload your own media, or get AI-generated visuals. Now let's explore the avatar layer. Click on the avatar icon to open the avatar selection pop-up. Here, you can pick from a rich collection of stock avatars. Hover over the avatar to see how it interacts. You can filter the avatars by gender as well. You can also upload your own image or create a personalized talking avatar from a text prompt. For now, let's continue with the already selected stock avatar. In the left customization panel, you can customize the position and size. Besides, you can also customize the close-up settings, transparency, and animation of the avatar. Once satisfied, click on Generate Avatar Video, then accept confirmation to generate your talking avatar. You can preview the talking avatar by clicking on the play icon beside the scene's name. Now scroll to the top. Click on Choose File in the background audio layer to search or upload your background music. You can control the volume and speed of the background audio from the customization panel. Finally, click Download, then start export to download your video in MP4 format. I must say that this tweet-to-video feature is one of the outstanding use case of Fliki AI, and I love it very much. Here is a full video I generated a moment ago using this tweet-to-video feature of Fliki AI.
I, a female, 41, find myself in a tough spot after advising my son's, 20, girlfriend, Lily, 20, during a heart-to-heart. They've been dating for 3 years, but their paths have diverged significantly. Lily is ambitious, aiming to be a doctor, and is excelling at college and swimming. My son, however, lacks ambition, has no job or college plans, and spends his time gaming and partying. Their relationship has deteriorated from a promising start. Lily deserves attention and support that my son, despite his feelings for her, fails to provide. I've watched this unfold, seeing her potential being shadowed by his stagnation. Lily visited recently, upset and confused about my son's lack of ambition. When she sought my advice, I shared my honest perspective that I didn't see his behavior changing soon and suggested she prioritize her needs and future. Following our talk, Lily decided to end things with my son, citing our discussion as a catalyst. My son is furious, accusing me of overstepping and meddling in their relationship. Now, my son refuses to speak to me, and my husband worries this breakup could deepen my son's current rut. I miss Lily's presence and worry about the divide my advice has caused. I didn't tell Lily to break up with him outright. I encouraged her to think for herself and consider what's best for her future. Still, I question if my involvement was too much. This situation leaves me questioning my actions. Did I overstep by sharing my thoughts with Lily, or was it necessary advice from a place of concern? AITA for influencing this outcome, however indirectly?
As you can see, from generating videos with lifelike AI voiceovers in minutes to creating premium content within the shortest time frame, Fliki AI revolutionizes how we produce digital contents. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.